This is Tom.
Tom loves his phone.
He plays games all day.
His eyes hurt. Tom, you need a break.
Huh? Just one more game.
We are going on a trip. Tom, we're going on a trip.
A trip? A trip? Where?
To the mountains.
They drove far from the city.
A cozy forest cabin waited for them.
Wow.
But Tom had one question.
Mom, what is the Wi-Fi password? What? What? No Wi-Fi? This is boring.
Tom felt very bored.
Tom felt very bored.
I miss my games.
Then Tom saw something.
Hello, little squirrel.
The squirrel wanted to play.
Wait for me! Wow!
Then he discovered even more wonders.
This is fun!
He collected beautiful leaves.
Clee!
He listened to the birds.
Hello, Bunny.
For the first time, Tom forgot about his phone.
The forest is amazing!
The next morning, Tom felt different.
I want another adventure!
He followed a new path.
Look at this bridge!
The forest was full of surprises.
Yeah! This is exciting! Hello, little fish!
I found you! They enjoyed a picnic together.
Are you still thinking about your phone?
No. No. I'm having too much fun. That cloud looks like a dragon.
The perfect day came to an end.
The world is beautiful when I look up.
Real life is the best adventure.
And Tom never looked at his phone the same way again.